Hello everyone, this is Hitechtalk. In this video, I will show you how to post a reels in Instagram by using a trending audio. But in the reels, your original audio will be there, but your video, your reels will be shown in a trending video list like this. For example, here I am using my own video, but here you can see the audio what I have used. Okay, so previously I have made a same videos, but as we know, Instagram keep changing things from here to there, but that way is not working. So in this video I will show you how it is working right now. So I will show you in my mobile screen. Open your Instagram application and click on plus icon and go to a Reels tab and select a video. So here I have selected a video which was recorded in my own voice. Then I will click on next button. Here you can see on the top, and I will select any trending video that I want, trending audio that I want to use it. Now I will click on done and I will click on next. So after clicking on next, I need to click on edit video. So here I need to scroll right and select volume, and I will make the camera audio as full and make this song's audio to 5 to 6%. Then if it is done, click on done here, you can see, and your video is ready. Now you can share this video. So here I will select a close friend because this is my testing video. I don't want my followers to see. Now I will post it. Now you can see my video will be posted with a trending audio, but when people will view this video, they will listen my audio. So this is how you can do. I hope you will find this video useful. Thank you.